Hello guys, in today's video I'm making another whiteboard video, and this time talking about some personality traits of someone who has an evil heart. While you might believe that people are fundamentally good at heart, you should also be aware of the possibility that there are also people who have an evil heart. As good and evil can be conceptualized as being one part of a spectrum, where going more towards one side means less of another. So people aren't purely good or evil. So what about a person who has an evil heart? How to recognize them? Well, let's just enjoy the video, guys. Good and bad are relative. Every person has their own opinion and reasoning regarding this matter. However, an evil person is quite different, because I believe that we have the same understanding of what evil means. An evil person is someone who engages in malevolent behaviors, and these types of people are easily available everywhere around us. Now, what about a person who has an evil heart? They may look seemingly nice, but they're truly terrifying because they don't have empathy for other people. As I said before, they can be anywhere, so how do you identify them so that you can be cautious around them? In this video, I'll share with you some common personality traits among people with evil hearts, and I hope that you enjoy watching this video, guys. Please help by clicking the like button below, subscribe to this channel, and share this video if you think it's useful for you. They are the masters of manipulation. Things, situations, people, they want to have control over everything. They think it's the only way to achieve their goals if they have total control. After all, they can do things the way they wish to. They are very manipulative. From twisting facts, hiding important truths, or manipulating evidence, they do it all, so long they can remain at the top. You may even think that they are the nicest people you ever met, not knowing that it's just a facade. They manipulate your mind, your heart, and even your actions so that you will think they are your best buddy or lover. Sometimes they can get so obsessive about controlling your life to the point that if you defy any of their wishes, it can turn out really bad for you. They are cruel. Most people choose to hide their evil intentions and appear nice in front of everybody, but some others are more open about it. You may think that all evil people are crafty, but it's not. Some are just open to who they are. They show it right to your face that they are evil. They are very vocal about it because they have a sense of superiority. They can do this in various ways, such as always getting into fights, emotionally and physically hurting loved ones, or even hurting animals. An evil person doesn't care about the extent to which they carry out their evil intentions. Sometimes they can push this too far and end up hurting someone else so badly that they could even end up in the hospital or jail. They don't show remorse. People who never acknowledge their mistakes and even think that they are always right are the perfect suspect of those with an evil heart. They don't show any remorse, and with time, their heart gets so hardened that they don't feel anything again. They don't care about others' feelings as they only care about themselves, and they don't care about the outcome of their actions too. So they don't feel sorry for hurting others because what they did is justified enough. If you ever try to expose their wrongdoings, they will make sure to pay you back tenfold. They will make people think that you are cruel and what you do to them is too much. They are happy to see you suffer. Life is full of competition, but a person who has an evil heart takes it to the next level. They will resort to anything so they would always come out as the winner. So naturally, they find joy and happiness in the misfortune of others because it means they have one less worry in their mind. Sometimes they even try to push things to the next level just to make matters worse. Whenever they have an opportunity to put people down, they will not hesitate to do it. They lack of responsibility. A person with an evil heart can do whatever pleases them without thinking about responsibility or the pain they inflict on others. They don't even care about how others feel. As long as they feel good, then what they did is justified. Besides, they can always try to dodge any blame that is being put on him. They never feel the need to apologize, and instead, you are the one who owes them an apology. They have no humility. All they care about is their pride. With their sense of superiority, they always think that they are better than those people around them and that they are in control. Whether they show it or not, they are arrogant, proud, and always full of himself. Sometimes they say it outright to you that they are better than you, while other times they may just listen to you but mocking you inside. All in all, they are determined to do anything just to prove that they are better than anyone and that they are always right. Well, those are the 6 personality traits of someone who has an evil heart. I hope that you enjoyed my simple explanation, guys. Please don't hesitate to share your thoughts and experiences in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to be notified of subsequent videos. And thanks for watching this video.